Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a full arm wax. It tends to be one of those treatments we don't do that often and it can be a little bit challenging. So the focus is going to be on how to posture the client's arm so that it is a straightforward application and removal. Today I've decided to work with the Outback Organics Roller Wax System, so the whole arm will be done with our strip wax, just to show you the ease of application and how the roller can go around curves and how you can still support and keep the skin stretched. Let me show you. So because doing the arm is quite awkward with different directions of hair growth, the easiest part to start is by raising the client's arm up, flex the hand so that they can put the palm flat on the bed if their shoulders are mobile enough, because we're going to use this elbow peak and we'll see that all of this hair here and around the arm all grows towards that peak. So it's an easy application with the arm being stretched to stretch the skin. So I'm using the Outback Organics Amethyst Roller Wax today. And I'm just going to support the skin to apply on up to the peak of the elbow. I've got a change of direction of hair growth here, so I'm just going to pause and carry on to where I can see the hair is growing. Just going around the entire arm up to the point where the hair finishes. Okay, so once we've finished with that area there, we can just bring the arm at the side of the body, and then we can start working on the forearm and just a small area on the upper arm. So now I've just got a little bit of hair left on the upper arm here, and then we can start working on this forearm hair which sweeps across this way. So I'm just going to get this hair here. And then I've just got this little bit here. So the change of direction is again here. So we've worked on hair going in this direction. Now we're working on hair growing in that direction. That is as quick as it can be to do an entire arm. As with all of our waxing treatments, very important to re-cleanse the area before we put on our aftercare. So the Outback Organics Gel Cleanser is gentle. It will hydrate and soften the skin, but it will also cleanse if there is any blood spotting. So we can just work that in with the gloved hand. And then this is quite a normal response, this slight high color on the skin. We're going to use some aloe and that will take that down immediately. And just making sure you do give your client aftercare advice to avoid going out in the sun, because obviously with the arm, it's an area that's very commonly exposed to the elements. Avoid a hot shower for that evening and no soap on the area just for the next 24 to 48 hours.